Okay, the next step we're going to do is put the pan onto the legs, and we're not going to bolt them just yet. We're going to put the side panels on, and then we're going to bolt all three, the side panel, through the pan, through the leg. Okay, make sure you do not bolt this pan to the leg first. um, and before you put the pan on there, it is recommended to use 100% silicone. Now you can use whatever. I used this one here. This is 100% silicone. Okay, and it says 30-minute water ready. And I probably let it set for about 45 minutes, I guess. I can't, let me see. Yeah, I let it set for about 45 minutes. And it's pretty tacky. It's not coming off of my fingers. And what I mean by that is you want to silicone those corners. There's that corner, there's that corner, and then there's the ones, I don't know if I can get on that side. There's that corner over there, and then that corner right there. So you want to seal those up with silicone so that water does not leak out. And then another thing is this pan has 3 holes in the front here, or on this side, and then it has 1 hole, then 2 holes, and then 1 hole on the other side. So the one with the 2 holes, that's considered the back. That's where your back panel is going to be. If you have the back lit, you're going to want to make sure that that's the back side. So we're going to work and put our panels, which that's one of them, and this is the other one. We're going to want to put our back panels, knowing that those holes, the 2 that are close together, is going to be the back side. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can actually, let's see if we can get you high enough. I'm going to set this and then bring it back. Okay, we're back, and you really don't have to be in a good position. We're just going to put the side panel on. And that's pretty much it. Let's get a front view. Okay, so the angled part is going to be the front. The straight back, the straight end, or the straight edge, is going to be the back. And remember, we're going to use those 2 center holes as our back. That's where the acrylic is going to be bolted onto. Alright, let's get you back there. And then we're going to use 4 bolts. 4 going across. We're going to use 2 in the center, and then 1 on each side, either side. And on this one, we're going to use the stainless steel hardware. So this is zinc. See how shiny it is? And this is the stainless steel. So zinc, stainless steel. Okay, it's a little bit, the color is not the same. This is more shiny. You can see the difference. You can definitely tell the difference, in person. So make sure you use the stainless steel hardware, and we're going to use the acorn nuts like this, and the acorn nuts are going to be on the outside. Okay, so we're going to do it nut washer. And an acorn nut. We're going to do the one here. The one here. We're going to tighten these up, and then we're going to flip it around, and we're going to do the left side of the washout booth. Same procedure, same way. 4 bolts, 4 washers, and 4 acorn nuts. So we'll fade out of here, and we'll turn it around, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We're going to put the 4 bolts, washers, and acorn nuts into these 4. So you have the side panel, you have the pan, and then you have the leg. Hand tighten them. And we'll tighten them down.